Well, this is what we started with. A Worksman 2-seat tricycle. You know what's missing, right? There's got to be some Raley small engine stickers on the back of them seats. That's what I'm talking about. And here's where we are now. I tore it apart and sanded it a little bit and da-da-da. So there's our base coat, and we're going to keep going with this thing. Hopefully it's going to turn out candy apple red shortly. And no, I'm not sponsored by these people, but this is what I started with after I sanded it. It's called Metal Cast Base Coat. That's the silver looking that you're looking at. Next, we're going to be putting on candy apple red. It's made to go over chrome and whatnot. And then to finish, we're going to do, got a gloss clear coat that's going to go over it. So it'll look pretty cool. Can y'all hear that? You know what my daddy told me? He said, son, shake the can until the ball quits rattling. It's obvious I'm not a professional. You gotta wait on this to dry, and the next step is to clear it. Here we go again.
No.
The trick was to clear. Remember what you painted and what you hadn't. For this small project, just so y'all know, it took 2 cans of this base coat, well, about a can and a half of this base coat. I used almost all of this red, and I told y'all wrong. I was shooting for candy apple red, but I ended up with red anodized, is what closest thing I could get. So, and then I've done 1 coat, and I've used almost a half a can of the clear. So I'm gonna put another clear coat on this thing. Well, it's the next afternoon, next project. See if I can clean this mess up some. That should be fun. I'm gonna keep it simple though, and SOS pad, and let's go to scrubbing. Well, as you can see, I went out there and scrubbed and it did not work. So I'm painting it with that base coat. But the sprocket, well, it looks like new. I'm gonna clean that other one up too. Well, working on the floor wasn't working too good, so I hung the doggone things up here. I just got the 2 coats of the base coat and put a clear coat on them too. Haha. You can tell I don't do this every day. I put the tire on, you gotta put the fender on first. Big dummy. Now that looks better. So it's after hours, so I brought it inside. It's the weekend actually for us, and I went in and got 1 pedal put on. Let's get to working on this thing a little bit at a time. Y'all stick around. Thanks for tuning in to T-Bone After Hours. Appreciate you watching. Remember, click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Share these videos with your friends. Check out our other channel, Raley Small Engines, where we do small engine repairs. We'll see you next time.